Here we are. Jared's gonna attempt the upper waterfall without a rope. Nobody's ever made it in a side-by-side yet, so we'll see what happens. Show off, just backing down, just show you can do it again.
As I know, that's the first side-by-side to go up that without a rope. Prove me wrong. You're up, Gabe. How was that? Did you cut air? Woo, I'm pumped. You nervous?
Huh?
You nervous?
Yeah. Watch the wall.
Just watch the wall on the left.
Watch it do what?
Just don't hit it. Just when you get up there, turn.
That was pretty scary. Squirrel! That's why I was so squirrely!
You was right! There! We'll count that as a made it if you want. You was right there.
Tell my wife I love her.
You just did. Hey, how's the pucker factor?
My seats have been ridged for a while, but they're really ridged right now. Dang.
Oh, he hit the wall.
Don't let up! Jared here with Big Pine Sports. We're up on the top of the hanging tree. We casually made it in 4.5 hours. All of the side-by-sides that you see here made it to the top with very little damage. We had a couple broken axles, a few hubcaps missing, a rock slider missing. None of them were cats. But anyway, we all made it to the top. We all made it up the waterfall unassisted. It's the first time that we know that any side-by-sides made it all the way even up the waterfall without assistance. We had a great day. We're gonna head back down the trail and we'll see you next time on the trail.